Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who have enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Category 7. Category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10th. Category 11th. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen 11 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Please stop at the actual standard rules and orders are available online for this hotel. You are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and